Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be presenting my presentation on the third International Brain and Biomedicine Conference 2026 Brain, Body and Society Reshaping Mental Health in an AI-driven era. I would like to thank all the organizers of Department of Physiology and Pharmaceuticals, Government College University, Faisalabad. Let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Hira Iftikhar, currently working as lecturer of food and nutrition at University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. And today my presentation will be on the role of digital and AI-based nutrition counseling. So, to discuss a little bit about the background and rationale, globally, diet-related non-communicable diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disorders are rising at an alarming rate. According to World Health Organization, unhealthy diets are one of the leading risk factors for mortality worldwide. At the same time, there is a shortage of trained dietitians as well as rural populations have limited access to nutritional counseling. This gap has led to emergence of digital health technologies including mobile health, that is also called mHealth, telenutrition and artificial intelligence based tools. What is digital and AI based nutrition counseling? If we see that normally the use of mobile app is very common, digital and AI based nutrition counseling refers to the use of mobile applications, wearable devices, chatbots, and teleconsultation platforms. These systems use AI technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, predictive analytics. Unlike the traditional methods, these tools analyze real time user data, they provide instant dietary feedback, and they continuously adapt recommendations. If we see towards the evolution of nutrition counseling has evolved through three major phases. The traditional counseling that was face to face and it has limitations in follow-ups, while the digital counseling or telehealth and mobile health apps and then AI-based counseling, they are highly personalized, automated, and scalable. AI-based systems can now predict dietary needs. They can adjust recommendations continuously, serve large populations simultaneously. Main difference between traditional and digital counseling is that the traditional counseling is very time bound. It has limitations in follow up. It is dependent on patient's recall, whereas on the other hand, the digital counseling provides continuous monitoring, offers instant feedback, improves patient engagement and adherence. The core functions of AI in nutrition are very interesting. Artificial intelligence plays several key roles in nutrition. It can do dietary assessment, personalized meal plans can be made, behavior change support, chronic disease management. Also, AI processes large data sets, including dietary intake, physical activity, and biomarkers, which allows highly precise and individualized recommendations, which is also being established by various researches in last present few years. AI in dietary assessment is one of the most innovative applications of AI is in dietary assessment. AI systems can recognize food using images. It can also estimate portion sizes, automatically calculate nutrients. Multimodal AI systems have achieved almost 87% accuracy in food recognition. This reduces human error, recall bias, and time required for analysis. The AI chatbots and virtual dietitians, AI powered chatbots and virtual dietitians are transforming to counseling delivery. Because these tools can do multiple things at a time. They can generate meal plans, they can provide instant nutrition advice, they can also motivate users through reminders. AI chatbots can provide nutrition advice comparable to dietetic students as well as to professionals for support. The role of AI in chronic disease management is also appreciable, and we can look forward because AI based nutrition counseling plays a crucial role in managing chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases, which has a major load on global health. These systems track blood glucose trends, adjust dietary plans, provide real-time alerts. AI-based interventions improves clinical outcomes in chronic disease patients that has been established by various researches as well. Several case studies have demonstrated successful implementation of digital nutrition programs. For example, users experience significant weight loss. They have improved metabolic markers. They have better dietary adherence. Digital health intervention improved metabolic health via behavioral tracking. And these things continuously monitor and adjust plans, eating plans of patients and clients. Despite all the benefits, digital nutrition counseling still facing several challenges because technology is hard to control. So there are some concerns like data privacy concerns, digital literacy barriers are there as well, lack of human interaction. Some people prefer face-to-face communication in counseling. Then there are some algorithm biases. Sometimes patient are seeking realistic approach, but because of their algorithm biasness, they cannot get the real-time fact check. Some patients still prefer personal interaction with a dietitian or nutritionist, so this can also be a challenge. Although AI tools require strict validation and ethical guidelines, there is a still lot of work to be done in this regard. There is also a term called virtual coaches. Virtual coaches enhance user engagement by sending reminders to the clients. They can, through tracking progress and providing motivation side by side. They are especially useful in rural areas, also in resource settings. These systems help maintaining long-term behavior change, which is often the biggest challenge in nutrition counseling. The future of AI based nutrition is very bright. We can say the future of AI nutrition is highly promising. The key trends include predictive health analytics, nutrigenomics, that is DNA based diets, integration with IoT devices, smart kitchens, and wearable techs. AI will shift nutrition from reactive to predictive healthcare. That is the main focus in future. That instead of just making it a reactive, we should make it a predictive healthcare so that before a problem or a disease occurs, the client or a person or a health professional can get knowledge beforehand. So, as the technology advances, AI will definitely enable more precise and more precise dietary recommendations, early disease prediction that will help population level nutrition interventions. However, the success highly depends on ethical implementation as well as professional oversight and cultural adaptability. There is a lot of working to be done in each culture or ethnical perspective. There are multiple diets all around the world that should be adapted in each AI chatbot or health digital health checks. To summarize, I would like to say that digital nutrition counseling enhances accessibility and AI enables personalized and real time interventions. It improves patient engagement and outcomes. However, it cannot replace human expertise. We can embrace technology for tailored advices, incorporate real-time feedback, ensure a wider access to health solution, and foster sustainable eating practices. If we talk about the current status of AI health in Pakistan, Pakistan is gradually adopting AI in healthcare, especially in diagnostics, telemedicine, clinical decision supports. AI healthcare market is rapidly growing. AI is being used for medical imaging analysis, predictive analytics, and personalized treatment plan. Thank you very much for your attention, but I would like to conclude that the digital health ecosystem in Pakistan is moving forward, and digital healthcare system are developing through national digital strategies and telemedicine platforms. There are multiple platforms like Marham, Oladoc, etc., and there are mobile health applications as well. The government's National Digital Health Framework 2022 to 2030 aims to create people-centered digital health system, improve access to quality of care, integrate AI, big data, and telehealth solutions. So the AI application in Pakistan, the future of AI application in Pakistani healthcare is very bright, and we hope that it will help not only help and facilitate the urban as well as the rural population. Thank you so much for listening. That's all from my side. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.